It actually depends on the length of the bow tie you want, but the standard one is between 14 and 16 chains. So I shall be making 15 chains. So I'm going to make a stitch knot. So I'm going to insert my hook, then I fasten it very well. So I'm going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we shall be making use of single crochet. So right now we are going to start. Can you see? I didn't yarn it over. So I'm going to insert into the second loop. This is the first loop, but I'm going to insert into the second one. This is the first loop. Why this is the second loop? So I shall be inserting into the second loop. So I insert, single crochet. That's why you have 2 chains here. So I bring it out. Next, single crochet. So like that till we get to the end of this first row. As you can see, we have got to the end of the first row. Can you see? So right now I'm going to make 1 chain. I will make 1 chain. Can you see? Then I turn it like so. So I'm going to see this loop. I shall be working on the back loop, the one here, not the front one. You see? Let me show you what I mean. You see? I shall be working on this front loop. Can you see? Not the back, I shall be working on the back loop, not this front one. So here, so like that. So we are going to continue. Already I've chained 1. So into this chain, the first chain, can you see? So I'm going to insert, single crochet, then the next one, which is this, single crochet, next. I hope you can see what I'm doing right here. We are working on the back loop now to give it the design we want for this bow tie. Can you see? At the end, you discover that this front one that we left, we shoot out as a design. So we continue like that until we get to the end of this second row. Can you see? Like that. As you can see, we have one left, and that one is this one here. Can you see? So we are going to insert into the last chain here. So right now, the next thing we shall be doing is to chain one. Can you see? Then we turn it over and continue. Still, we are going to be using the back loop all through to the end. So the first chain, so this is the first chain. Can you see? So single crochet, then I bring it out, and I continue the front loop, front loop, so we are going to continue like that till we get to the end, exactly what we did in the first row. You see? So that is how we are going to continue till we get to the end of the second row. Now, as you can see, I've completed my bow tie. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Actually, it depends on what you want. If you want it wider than this, you may extend yours to be 5 rows or even 6 rows. But for this one, I've made it 4 rows. I want a moderate one. Can you see? This is the back. It has no back, it has no front. So the next thing I shall be doing right now is to slip stitch right here. Going to slip stitch, then I bring it out. Can you see? So the next thing is to give it a more beautiful outlook. I'm going to attach some beads on it to make it more beautiful. So what I'm going to do right now is to take my needle, my hand needle, then I insert gently. So I'm making sure that it gives me the center point. So right now I'm going to pick my beads. So I'm going to tie it round. Then I fasten. This one is of different ways. I may decide not to make it like this and remove it first, okay, and use my needle and insert the second time. So we have different way of making this as well. So this is another way. Can you see? So it's of different way. So just tighten it, okay. Then all you need to do is to fasten it at the back here. Can you see? Then we are good to go. So you just attach it to either your whatever you have that you want to use this to beautify it. So we have actually come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and always put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video you can have access to it. Thanks very much for watching this video. Bye till we meet again.